Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make mesh headband. Alright, let's get started. First, I'll make slip knot. And we make 19 chain. And we skip 6 chain and make a half double crochet. And then chain 2, skip 2 chain, and 1 half double crochet. Chain 2, skip 2 stitch, and 1 half double crochet. Chain 2 again, and 1 half double crochet. Do it until you reach the end. Alright, I have 1 2 3 4 5 half double crochet and 1 chain. We will count it as a half double crochet. And now chain 4, turn your work and make 1 half double crochet. And then chain 2, 1 half double crochet, and do it until you reach the end. We will repeating this row until we have 40 rows and it equal 11 inches. Also, if you want it a bit longer, you can add more rows. Alright, now I'll make my last row, which is row number 40. Chain 4, turn your work, half double crochet and chain 2, half double crochet and then chain 2 and half double crochet again. Alright, and for the next row, row number 41, we chain 3 and turn our work, and then 1 half double crochet and chain 2, 1 half double crochet, and in this row we will make half double crochet together. I'll show you later. Chain 2 and you lift 2 half double crochet, insert your hook. You have 3 loops on your hook. Now once again, yarn over, insert the hook, and we have 5 loops in our hook. And yarn over, pull through 5 loops. Alright. And for the next row, 3 chain, turn your work, and 1 half double crochet, chain 2, 1 half double crochet, and then chain 2, and we will make the decrease by making half double crochet together. Alright, chain 3, turn your work, 1 half double crochet, chain 2, 1 decrease, and then chain 3, turn your work, insert, make a 1 single crochet in the chain space, and then turn your work once again, and make a slip stitch in the chain space, and we will make 70 chains. Alright, we will do the same with the other ends in here. First, make a slip knot. And one single crochet in the chain number 2. And then chain 3, and 1/2 double crochet. Chain 2, 1/2 double crochet, chain 2, 1/2 double crochet, and then chain 2. We will decreasing here. And please do the exact same way like the other ends that we just making. Alright, I will secure a bit the yarn. Alright, this is the headband. Thank you so much for watching. and see you in my next video.